They say the new Techo International Airport is going to change Cambodia forever. But today, I want to know just one thing. How long does it actually take to get there from the city centre? Starting in the heart of Phnom Penh, it's the usual chaos. Stop and go, dodging SUVs, and 35-degree heat. This is where the Yamaha XSR155 usually lives, but today we're stretching its legs. Once you hit the 60-metre road, the vibe changes. The buildings disappear and the road opens up. This is where I can finally tap into 6th gear. The XSR feels incredibly stable here, even when the crosswinds from the floodplain start hitting. As we get closer to Kandal, the new Phnom Penh starts to show. It's all construction, dust, and massive potential. You can feel the scale of this project before you even see the buildings. And there it is, Techo International. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie sitting in the middle of the Cambodian countryside. It took me 40 minutes to get here. For a daily commute? Maybe not. For a weekend ride? Absolutely. The road is getting better every day, but for now, it's a dusty, high-speed adventure. Would you ride out here? Let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.